So we got a 2013 Honda CRV. Going to do a oil change. Got the tools I need. Obviously the new oil pan. Got the oil filter wrench. Got the oil filter here. For what I need, it's the M1 110A. So I'll be changing that out. 11/16 wrench. Got the hood popped up. I'm going to take the oil cap off. Apparently it helps the oil come out a lot easier and faster when I'm draining it down there. I've seen some guys just popping that out and kind of leaving it out. I got it set up on ramps right now so I can work underneath there. I also needed a drill or screwdriver, but I need to take these screws off of this cover plate here. It just comes off. Alright, so as you can see, this here is the drain plug. This is the oil filter. I'm going to go ahead and loosen this up with the 11/16. I'm going to use this end. The open end, you have a chance of stripping it, so I'm going to use this end, drain it, and then I'll work on the oil filter. I got the pan ready for some action here. Alright, I'm going to pull it out. Oh, wow. Alright, so it shoots out pretty far, probably because I took the cap off under the hood. So just make sure you have your pan a little bit over, because it will shoot out pretty far. Alright, well, at least I got this painter's. Oh boy. I was gonna say, at least I had this painter's mat here, which is a good thing because this is messy. There's like this. There's a washer on here. Just make sure that's all good. Close this back up. We don't want to over tighten it, so we'll just get it snug, and then that'll do it. I got the wrong size oil filter wrench. I should be able to get it by hand. This also is going to be messy. Alright, there it goes. Oh yeah. Oh. Alright, now that that's off, we're able to put this on. But what I'm going to do is get some of the new oil out and lubricate the rim of this before I attach it. Yeah. And then I'll just apply it on to the filter. Put that back on there. And it only needs to go back on hand tight. Another thing that I've seen recommended to do is to double check to make sure the gasket is on the old one and that it's not stuck up there. Because if you put the new one on there, when the old gasket is still stuck up there, it'll be double gasketed, which will tend to leak if there's two gaskets in there. That is on there, all nice and clean. I can go ahead and put my cover plate back on here, and then the rest of it is going to be up under the hood, filling it with oil. Since I don't need it anymore, I'm going to back the car out off of these ramps. That way, whatever I do here, filling it up and checking the dipstick and oil levels, it'll be accurate. You got 0W20 full synthetic oil. So I'm going to put 4 quarts in, check my dipstick, and then double check to see if I'm good or if I need to add any more. So I put in about 4 quarts of oil. So what I'm going to do is start the car, let it run for about 15 seconds, and then I'll check the oil to make sure I'm at the proper level. If I have to add some more, I'll add some more. Otherwise, if it's good, then we'll just leave it as it is. So we are between those 2 dots, and it should be good. Alright, so now I'm going to reset the oil light, put the key in, turn 2 times, not turning on the car. Now we got the button here, push that, scroll through till we get to oil life. So I'm going to push and hold it about 10-15 seconds, and then it'll start blinking. Alright, now we'll let it go. Now I'll push and hold it again for about the same time, and it reset to 100%. So that's it. Thanks for watching.